In this video, my friend, I'm going to show you how you can repair a sink tap. As you see, it's been failed, and we have to change the mechanism where it's inside. First of all, we have to close the water, both hot and cold, and then we use a knife to open this small plastic cap. And now with an Allen, we use an Allen to untie the small bolt which inside the handle of our tap. After that, we push the handle up. You see now this bolt, the Allen bolt, and now we unscrew this plastic cover, and then we have to unscrew this metal nut to get out the mechanism which have been failed. Now, my friend, we have to go with this mechanism in and hard to find another one, because there are many kinds of them, so we have to have the old one when we go to the special store, the plumbing store. Now, as you see, we have buy a new one, and we are going to put it in our tap, watching for these plastic pins going to the holes of our tap. We turn right and left until it goes in the right position and stop to turn at all. Then we are putting again the metal nut, and we are tightening this nut, but watch, you haven't to tight very much this nut, because the mechanism is plastic. Okay, now we can check if we are okay after we open the water pipes. And after the check, we can put again the plastic cover of our tap and the metal handle, and we tied again the Allen bolt which holding our handle in our tap. Then we are putting again the plastic cap, and as you see, my friend, our tap is like new. This was the procedure for fixing our tap. Thank you very much for watching my video.